Hey you guys, so I love a good smoothie. It's really quick to make, and when you have over here who won't let you move, do anything, and always wants to be up under you, a smoothie's a good way to make sure that you get your meal, and that's it. So the first thing that we're gonna do after you make sure that you have ice in your cup is grab some bananas. After your banana, you wanna throw in some mixed berries. I don't really measure. So don't forget your protein. And I always use collagen to make sure that my hair, my nails, and my skin is popping. We add some almond milk. Oh, oh, oh. Don't drop the baby. And here we go. Bye guys.